Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to thank our God Allah who has given me mercies and blessing. And secondly, the Excellencies Al-Mukarram Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM as the caretaker of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School, and respectable Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAMAG as Director of Zainul Hasan Islamic University, and I don't forget especially to Mr. Ferry Ferdianto, MPD, as our lecturer of this subject, English Assessment. Well, before starting the explanation, let me introduce myself. My name is Ainun Zakiyah. I'm a 5th semester student of English Education Department, and right now I am going to explain about the aspects of learning process and outcomes. Right? Bloom divides learning outcomes into cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. And what I'm gonna explain right now is about the cognitive one. There are 6 abilities in cognitive. The first is the ability to know. The ability to know is the lowest level in the cognitive domain, which is the ability to remember or memorize something that has been previously learned in the form of facts, principles, theories, processes, patterns, and structures. The verbs used in this level are mentioning, matching, restating, and describing, composing, defining, labeling, listing, recognizing, relating, and selecting. And the second one is the ability to understand. The ability to understand is the ability of students to learn the materials studied, understand the meaning, state the data in their own words, and translate. Operational words that can be used include explain, restate, rephrase, criticize, classify, summarize, illustrate, and translate. The next is application ability. Application ability is the ability to use theories or principles, formulas, or abstractions in certain situations or in concrete situations. The verbs used are using, applying, finding, organizing, executing, solving, producing, executing, and etc. The next is analytical ability. Analytical ability is the ability of students to interpret the elements, principles of organization, structure, construction, internal relationships, quality, and reliability of individual components. The operational words used include analyzing, describing, cataloging, comparing, and analyzing, and etc. The next one is synthesis ability. Synthesis ability is the ability to create or build. It requires the skills to develop unique structures, systems, models, approaches, and new ideas, creative thinking, and operations. Students should be able to develop plans or procedures, designs, solutions, combine methods, sources, ideas, and parts, create new themes or approaches, and write protocols or regulations. Verbs that can be used include develop, plan, construct, design, organize, revise, formulate, propose, create, assemble, integrate, reconstitute, and modify. And the last is evaluation skills. Evaluation skills are the ability to assess the overall effectiveness of concepts related to values, outputs, effectiveness, feasibility, strategic review and comparison, as well as assessments related to internal criteria. Verb used include review, justify, assess, make a case, defend, report, investigate, direct, report, argue, and manage projects. Okay, that's all what I can explain. If you find any mistake from my speaking and from my explanation, I ask your pardon, and thus I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.